Hi guys, so this is absolute barbecue buffet box which we ordered just now, and we are going to unboxing this and let's see what's inside. Okay, so much protection, got everywhere, and this is the invoice. You can see it's 755 something, but after discount we got it around 650. Nice packing. Oh, so much items are here. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay, this is, I guess, paratha. There's one item. This is some chutney. This is green chutney. I guess this is some cookie, and this is, I think, some sweet dish. This is gulab jamun. Let's go to the second department. Yeah, what we got here? The second one here, one more item, and one more item. What's it inside? Inside this we have, oh, chicken, grilled chicken, I guess, or chicken kebab, something. Two types of chicken is there. And this one, oh, okay, salad only. And here 1, 2, 3. Let's see what's inside this small box. Okay. I guess it's, oh, here the biryani. It looks yummy. And this one also. Oh, this is one egg curry which looks yummy. This one, okay, this is the chicken gravy with, I guess, some kind of maybe not butter chicken, but that type of curry only. Okay, we got one more box, second box, and one more third box. Got it. Okay, this is normal rice and nothing else. Okay, what's this? Oh, this is a raita. Here, okay, here we got delicious mutton. I guess 3-4 pieces maybe. And what you got here? Oh, I got it. Okay, what we got here? I think grilled prawns, and this is, I think, fish. And cutely arranged pampered. That's it, guys. Here we got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 box. It's come with a huge box and nothing inside.